Can I request everyone to stand for our opening prayer led by multimedia? Who's Catholic, please sign of a cross. Okay, please sit down. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mom.
How are you feeling today?
We're fine, Mom.
That's good to hear. Class, do we have absentness?
No, Mom.
Absentness, I will give you a plus points because your classmates are not absent for today's discussions.
Thank you, Mom.
Before we proceed to our main topic, I want you to read and follow these classroom rules. Miss Dunde, can you read our classroom rules?
Classroom rules. Respect. R stands for ready to learn. E for everyone to give its vote. S for silence when others are talking. P, please say excuse me, Mom and Sir, for with valid reason for you to be allowed to go out. E stands for electronic devices must be put inside your bag. C for collaborate to your group mates if needed. And T stands for talking is not allowed unless you are told to do so.
Are these classroom rules are clear to you, class?
Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom. Did I say
Okay. Before we proceed to our main discussions, class, do you still remember our last discussion?
Yes, Mom.
Miss Dunde, what is all about our last discussion?
Our last discussion is all about cohesive devices.
Okay, can you give an example of cohesive devices?
The words but, and moreover is an example of a cohesive devices.
Very good, Miss Dunde. Before we proceed in our discussion today, we will have a short and engaging activity. Class, I want you to get your gadgets and click this link that I provide in our GC. Class, I want you to get your gadgets and click this link that I have been sent in your GC. And I want you to answer these questions that I provide in the docs. What is one word that comes to your mind when we talk about or hear about verbs? I will give you 2 minutes to answer that question. Are you done, class?
Yes, Mom. We're done.
We're done.
Okay. Class, do you have any idea of our lesson today?
Yes, Mom.
Yes, Miss Kainoy?
Verb, Mom.
Then can you give me some definition of verb?
Verb is an action word.
And give me a one word of verb.
Fly.
Very good. Today, our main topic class is all about verbs. Class, I want you to read our learning objectives to help us to be guided. Can anyone read the learning objectives? Yes, Miss Dunde.
At the end of the lesson, students will be able to define verbs accurately, apply verbs in practical scenarios, examine the importance of using verbs to support their statements of opinion and point of view.
Class, are these learning objectives are clear to you?
Yes,
Ma'am. In this juncture, we will tackle about verbs. Verbs are the action words of a sentence that describe what someone or something does or is. These are essential for making a statement, asking a question, or giving a command. Can someone give me some example of verbs? Yes, Miss Donde.
Teaching, Mom.
Okay, can you make the word teaching into a sentence?
My best friend is teaching in front of us.
Very good, Miss Dunde. The action verbs describe physical or mental actions. Example, run, jump, swimming, and jogging. Class, do you understand our discussion today?
Yes, Mom.
But before we end our discussion, I want you, Mr. Dulogin, to create a sentence using a verb.
Okay. You are speaking in front of us.
Then can you identify the word verb in that sentence?
Yes, Mom. The word speak.
Very good.
Speaking is the verb.
Yeah, very good, Mr. Dulogin. And I can tell everyone are to my discussion. And now, let's have a short recap of our discussion earlier. Okay, Miss Dunday, can you differentiate the mental and action verb?
Mental verb are verbs that are that are the verbs that we use to think, and the action verbs it represents the actions that we make. Like for example, for mental verb, it's like thinking, finding, sorting. But in the action verb, it's dancing, singing, etc.
Very good. Let's give a round clap to Miss Dunday.
Yay!
Now that we've discussed and generalized our lessons, this time it's your turn to apply what you have learned in this topic. I have prepared here two differentiated tasks. And I want you to get your cell phones and look for the link in our GC that I have sent earlier. Did you find the link, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to answer this task. Now that you've explored and applied to the lesson through differentiate activities, let us see how you can distinguish between mental and action verb. We'll be using quizzes for a short and interactive quiz. Each item presents a term and definition. All you have to do is simply identify whether it is a typical or we'll be using quizzes. For a short and interactive quiz, each item presents a term and a definition. All you have to do is apply or simply identify whether it is a action or mental verb. Again, I want you to get your cell phone and then look for the second link that I sent in the GC. Okay? I will give you 2 minutes to answer this task because it is just a short task. Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
I think you are already finished answering the activity. I will assign the assignment, then I'll send in our GC, then it will be passed in our next meeting. Hi, clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
By the way, I am your teacher, Lalay, like Faith De Rio, and thank you for listening for my topic to the class.
Bye.
Goodbye,